Hey guys, it's Mariana. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you're probably like, is this a video? Because I already just filmed something in this outfit, but no, it's not. I am unboxing something in a rectangular box. And if you can guess what it is, you'll probably can guess by the title. But if you can guess what it is, then that's what's up, because yeah, I'm unboxing that. Actually, I'm gonna act like I don't know what this is, but yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing something today and I'm really excited. So let's unbox it. And yeah, I'm coming out with 2 uploads. Don't play. It's about to be that season, y'all. About to be that time. Okay, y'all, let's open it. You know what I'm gonna do with the daily knife. You know, I always open stuff up with knives. So y'all, we just coming through. Like, I unboxed so much stuff already. The headphones. You know what time it is though, yo. You know what time it is. Hurry up, so I'm gonna have to film this video like in between because I have a Zoom call to get on. So are you ready, y'all? Are y'all ready? Oh my god, oh my god.
I don't feel safe. Clap if you feel safe. Oh.
No one.
Well.
My new iPhone 15 Pro. I'm unboxing it, y'all. Okay, so let me just tell you something. I have been using an XR for 4 years. You know what? It's just been my phone. I broke my phone, so I had an Android, and then I broke that because it's my mom's phone. Actually, I had an XR first, and then an Android, and then I got the XR again fixed. I just had it for so long. You don't understand. I'm finally switching after having one camera. Like, you don't understand. I'm literally a vlogger. I literally take photos for life, and I have one camera, and it don't be looking good. But now y'all,
you got me jumping like.
Now y'all, don't be scared. But these videos gonna be good, cause like, what the freak is this? It's an iPhone 15 Pro. It's an iPhone 15 Pro. Like what? Okay. We gonna be back. Sorry y'all, I had to quit my composure because like I'm acting like I never had the phone before, but thank you so much, mother, for my gift before school. Yeah. Y'all, you see this? Don't play with me right now. That's so cool. That's literally so cool. It's like really cool. Does it come with a case? Because I sure don't have a case. No, it doesn't. Dang. No case. That's a bummer, because I'm not going to be able to hold this beautiful phone. This is what it looks like. Do I have to charge it? Does it not come charged? Okay, it's turning on. I don't even have my watch on. I don't know why I'm looking right there. Oh, hello. Oh. Okay, so English or English. Okay, so United States. Okay, should I do medium or large? Okay, y'all, so it's telling me to do my Face ID. Like, this is new because usually it's just like the face. Okay, I don't want to put it. It's different. Okay, Face ID with mask. You can do that?
Came about when COVID came around.
I don't got that on my phone. Okay, it's okay. Let's set up later. Okay, guys, so I'm back and I am setting up my phone. You see that? Silent mode. Oh wait, I want to see it. Okay, we'll go back. Oh, it's ready. It's literally exactly like it was. Okay, let's try out the camera. Portrait in photo mode. They have flower mode. I've never had 0.5 before. Okay, that's really cool. But I look a hot mess in this camera. Yeah, look how mess. Let's see what else. Let's see how this portrait mode looks.